Hi there! Keeping devices up to date is essential to securing our organization from threats. With Jamf Pro, we can ensure that devices get updated to the latest operating system during automated device enrollment. Let's go through a quick walkthrough on how to enforce a minimum OS during enrollment with Jamf Pro. For this example, I'm going to enforce a minimum OS for mobile devices, but the steps to enforce a minimum OS for computers is very similar. Navigate to Devices, Pre-Stage Enrollment. I already have a pre-stage enrollment, so let's update that one instead of creating a new one. In the General tab, scroll down to the Enrollment Requirements section. Here we have two pop-up menus, one for iOS and one for iPadOS. For this example, I'm selecting Latest Version based on device eligibility for both iOS and iPadOS, but there are other options available, so be sure to select the ones that are best for your organization. Make note of the OS requirements in the descriptions, so you know whether or not your devices are eligible to use this feature. Click Save in the bottom right to finalize the changes. With these new enrollment requirements in place, let's see how it works. When a device begins the automated device enrollment process, Jamf Pro will verify the installed operating system version. If it doesn't meet my specified minimum version, the user is prompted to update the device before continuing Setup Assistant. If you have questions about enforcing a minimum OS for computers or mobile devices, be sure to check out the links in the resources. Thanks for watching.